watch me try to make a song. Um, Soundtrap, yeah. Or like not watch me because I'm gonna pause the recording. Yeah. Boop. Did you hear the boop? Or do I have to like? I think I found a good one. Look at this. I'm gonna make it longer. Oh god, how does this work actually? It is now longer. How long is this actually? I don't want it to be too long. Give me your little arrow. Damn, that's almost a minute. Good thing I have to put lyrics in this. Look at this hideous monster I've made. Okay, it's actually not that hideous, actually. um, I'm not a lunatic, trust me. I just have a weird ass laughter. My friend said that it sounded like a witch. Do I sound like a witch? Who knows? I could be everything. I I genuinely think that this wasn't a good idea. I don't know how my singing voice is. There was one say, okay, that's. I was gonna sing. I don't wanna get copyrighted. Can this get copyrighted if it's my own damn song? I don't wanna know. I need some guitar pop rocks. Yeah! I'm gonna throw it on shit. Look at my fabulous, totally lyrics that I made up. By the way, I did not put them here. Should I increase the volume? Surprise! How I know this is very exciting. I've done this before. Yeah, you saw right through me. I know how to do this because I learned it from school. Yeah. So here's my lyrics. You can barely hear them actually. Yeah, that's not the lyrics. Be right back. Muhaha. And I am not an ADHD creature. I'm an ADHD. I should put like subtitles on this video because it's probably gonna be short. Don't ask me how to explain myself for this song. I just want to make a song. How did I make that noise? If there's a cat sound effect, I need to have it. I cannot ignore my urges for something labeled cat to be in my song. I cannot resist the urges. I cannot resist them. I cannot resist the urges to have it titled it. That's not cat. That's not cat at all. Cat! What? Cancel. Can I remove that? Cat. Why isn't it? Can I? There we go. There we go. Wait, what's my cat? My cat dying? Hold on one second. Okay. Yeah, no, they weren't dying. They were just creatures. They were insane. I petted my cat a bit. Might not be happy with the amount of pets, because I did like smallest amount possible for no reason at all. Not like I wanna do this song. Yeah. God, this this what's it called? Mattress. I'm gonna put this mat so it's comfortable sitting here. Cause it's cold. I'm only in a t-shirt. Why am I only in a t-shirt, for God's sake? This ain't the rap I'm singing to Snow. Cats are gorgeous, cats are awesome. Totally screaming that with awesome. This ain't the rap I'm singing to Snow. That's what I would do. Get up. I think I sang too fast. Cats are gorgeous, cats are awesome. Totally screaming that with awesome. This ain't the rap I'm singing to Snow. That's just how I do it, bro. Hideous creatures that are crazy. Cats are gorgeous, cats are awesome. Totally screaming that with awesome. This ain't the rap I'm singing to Snow. That's just how I do it, bro. Hideous creatures that are crazy night. Too bad they're all only mine. Cats are gorgeous, cats are awesome. Totally screaming that with awesome. This ain't the rap I'm singing to Snow. That's just how I do it, bro. Hideous creatures that are crazy night. Too bad they're all only mine. Yeah, the song's finished. Yay, yippee, yay, yay. Didn't mean to pause the recording. Yeah.